Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something incredibly useful and time-saving to share with you. Ever struggle to remember your app passwords on your Android phone? Well, worry no more. In this video, we'll show you the step-by-step guide on how to use Google Password Manager to easily find and retrieve your app passwords. Let's dive right in. Alright, so here we are on an Android phone. You know the frustration, you've got tons of apps, each requiring a different password. Let's simplify things with Google Password Manager. Accessing Google Password Manager. First things first, open up your phone settings. Scroll down and find the Google section. Tap on it. Navigating to Password Manager. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. This is your hub for managing all things Google related. Discovering Password Manager. Scroll down to find the Security section, and within it, you'll see Password Manager. This is where the magic happens. Exploring saved passwords. Here's where you'll see all your saved passwords. Tap on Saved Passwords to explore further. Viewing the app password. And there it is. Your app password in all its glory. No need to scratch your head or hit that Forgot Password button anymore. Copying the app password. Copy the password to your clipboard by tapping on the Copy button. Now, you can easily paste it wherever you need. Wrapping up. See how effortless that was? Google Password Manager takes the hassle out of remembering app passwords. So, next time you're locked out of an app, remember this trick. Closing words. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial, folks. We hope this video was as helpful to you as it will be to us the next time we forget our app passwords. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy. Remember, it's important to use Google Password Manager responsibly and ensure your device is secure. Keep your device and Google account safe.